I got this dash cam to review to give my honest opinion of the product. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box and check it out. All right, so inside the box, you get the manual. This is the power plug that would go in a 12-volt accessory port in your vehicle. This is the front view camera, a couple sticky pads to get this stuck to the windshield or wherever you want to mount it, a scraper to help you get these put on well or take them off, a rear view camera mounting kit, and then the rear view camera. So this right here actually plugs into the camera right here. And one of the cool things about this camera, if you'll notice when you pull this off, it's magnetic. So you attach this to your windshield or wherever you're wanting to put it, and this just connects magnetically. And it's got a pretty strong magnetic hold on this camera. So you don't have to plug in the power right here. You can actually plug it in right here and it connects. My understanding is it also has GPS built into this little base. So it's going to be able to keep track of location and everything as it's recording. So not only does it capture what's going on, but it also captures the location of where everything is being recorded. You've got all of your little setting buttons on this side. You've got a nice big screen. This has a screen protector on the back. You've got your SD card port here, and it looks like the microphone there. That's basically it on the camera. So let's go ahead and get this thing ready to set up and install. All right, so for the back camera, I just temporarily put some tape here to be able to figure out exactly where I want to put this rear camera. I am going to eventually then put this wire tucked back behind the plastic molding, so you'll just barely see the wire where the camera is. Then I'm going to run the cable all the way up to the front and plug it into the camera. So this dash cam does come with an app so that you can connect to the app and see what the camera is seeing. You can also come in here and then click this little button and it will switch to the different cameras. Let me press that button. Now we're looking at the back view. These are the vehicles behind us. Now we're looking at the front view. These are the vehicles in front of us. You can play, record, take photos, do all of that stuff from the app. All right, so here is the camera in operation. It shows you the front view in the main screen, and then in the top right corner, that is the behind view. It will give you the date, the time. It actually does all of that from the GPS. There's a menu that has all these options in it by pressing this little menu button on the side. So when you press that menu button, there's a ton of options in here to set, and there are scroll buttons that let you go through all of these many settings that are in this camera. To get out of the menu, you just press the menu button again on the side. That's about it. You just walk through the different settings, get it all set up, use the app to connect to it. So overall, it's a pretty nice little camera. Does everything we were looking for in a dash cam. All right, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.